Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle? What's their secret? The truth is, there's no magic formula, just a powerful concept called leveraging. Imagine using what you already have to create more opportunities, income, and financial freedom. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about smart, strategic moves that anyone can make. In this video, we'll break down the formula for wealth generation through leveraging. Welcome to No Money, where we make finance simple and actionable. What is leveraging? Leveraging is a financial strategy that involves using borrowed money or other people's resources to increase your investment's potential return. Think of it as a lever that lifts a heavy object with minimal effort. In the world of finance, leveraging allows you to amplify your gains without having to put up all the money yourself. However, it's important to note that while leveraging can increase potential returns, it also comes with increased risk. The basics of financial leverage. Financial leverage is all about using debt to acquire assets that can generate income. For example, if you take out a mortgage to buy a rental property, you're using leverage. The idea is that the rental income will not only cover the mortgage payments, but also provide extra profit. In essence, you're using the bank's money to build your wealth. But it's not just about real estate. Leveraging can be applied in the stock market as well. For instance, margin trading allows you to borrow money from your broker to buy more shares than you could with just your cash. This can lead to higher profits if the stock price rises, but also higher losses if it falls.
Now, everyone's got something that they can leverage. And one thing that's common to us all is time. We can leverage time. Using a kingdom principle of using the ability to leverage another asset, the only thing I had at that time was literally time. I used that to learn the skill, to put in the work. How can I expect any student or even a client for that matter to execute a specific task if I haven't done it myself? Who am I to say? And so one of the things that I had to leverage to get that multiplication happening was time and resources. Nobody would like to hear this, but sometimes your current job is your resource, right? That's going to be the thing that puts some money in your bank account that helps you get to that trading account that gives you the leverage necessary.
Leveraging your time. Leveraging isn't limited to money. It can also be about how you use your time. Successful people understand the importance of time management and often outsource tasks to focus on what they do best. For example, a business owner might hire employees or use automation tools to handle routine tasks, freeing up time to focus on growing the business. By effectively leveraging time, you can multiply your productivity and results. Leveraging your skills and knowledge. Another powerful way to generate wealth is by leveraging your skills and knowledge. Let's say you're an expert in a particular field. Perhaps you're a skilled programmer, a talented artist, or a savvy marketer. Instead of working for a salary, you could create online courses, write a book, or start a consultancy. These are all ways to turn your expertise into a scalable income stream. By leveraging what you know, you can reach a much larger audience and generate more wealth than trading time for money. Leveraging other people's money. OPM.
OPM, what is that, guys? Other people's money. When we're first starting, we may not have the capital to go in to buy our first investment property, but that's where you use leverage. You're actually utilizing someone else's resources to help you. We've all been there, guys. When I first started my first fix and flip, they lent me 100% financing. So wouldn't it be amazing to buy a house for $100,000? You just have to come in with not even closing costs because they lent me that. So there's folks out there that will do that. For me, the skin in the game was I had to come up with the renovation costs, which let's say they're $30,000 or $15,000. That would be use of my own money, but you could either use OPM, which would be getting your renovation cost from a family member, someone that does the funds in the middle. All kind of ways, guys, to use OPM.
One of the most famous wealth-building strategies is leveraging other people's money, often referred to as OPM. This doesn't just mean borrowing from a bank. It could also mean finding investors who believe in your business idea or project. For example, venture capitalists provide funding to startups in exchange for equity. The startup founders use that money to grow the business, and if successful, both the founders and investors profit. By leveraging OPM, you can undertake larger projects and create more wealth than you could on your own. Leveraging networks. Wealth generation isn't just about money, it's also about who you know. Networking can open doors to opportunities that you wouldn't have access to otherwise. By building relationships with mentors, industry leaders, and like-minded individuals, you can gain valuable insights, advice, and even financial backing. Leveraging your network can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and investments that accelerate your wealth-building journey. The power of compound interest.
The power of compound interest. Albert Einstein said that compound interest was the 8th wonder of the world. Now, most people don't know about the positives or the negatives of compound interest, and this pisses me off. I'm pissed off for me as an 18-year-old. I'm pissed off for anyone else who's starting work and doesn't know about compound interest, because when you understand it, it can make a massive difference. Compound interest is basically interest on top of interest. So you invest 10,000 into an index fund. Year 1, you get returns of 10%. Year 2, you've got 11,000. Again, you get returns of 10%. This means you've got 12,100. This goes on, depending on your returns. And if you do this for 15, 20 years, it's going to make a massive difference to your wealth, your financial future.
One of the most powerful forms of leverage is compound interest. Albert Einstein is said to have called it the 8th wonder of the world. Compound interest is when the interest you earn on your savings or investments starts to generate its own interest. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth in your wealth. The key is to start early and be consistent with your investments, allowing the magic of compounding to work in your favor. Leveraging real estate. Real estate is one of the most popular ways to leverage money and build wealth. When you buy a property with a mortgage, you're using the bank's money to own an asset that can appreciate in value over time. In addition, rental income can provide a steady cash flow, and tax benefits can further enhance your returns. Real estate can be a powerful tool in your wealth-building arsenal if managed wisely. Leveraging the stock market. The stock market offers another avenue for leveraging. As mentioned earlier, margin trading allows you to borrow money to buy more stocks. But there's also the concept of leveraging through diversification. By spreading your investments across different sectors, industries, and asset classes, you can reduce risk and increase the potential for returns. Index funds and ETFs are popular ways to achieve this kind of leverage diversification. Leveraging technology. In today's digital age, technology provides numerous opportunities for leveraging, whether it's using automation to streamline business processes, leveraging social media to reach a global audience, or utilizing online platforms to sell products and services. Technology can significantly amplify your wealth-building efforts. For instance, e-commerce platforms allow you to sell products to customers worldwide without needing a physical store. By leveraging technology, you can scale your business and income in ways that weren't possible before. Leveraging intellectual property. Intellectual property, IP, is another valuable asset that can be leveraged to generate wealth. This includes things like patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. If you create something unique, whether it's an invention, a brand, or a piece of content, you can protect it through IP rights and monetize it. For example, a popular author can earn royalties from their books for years, and a business can license its patents to other companies. Leveraging IP can create passive income streams and increase the value of your business. The risks of leveraging. While leveraging can be a powerful tool for wealth generation, it's important to understand the risks involved. The main risk is that leveraging amplifies both gains and losses. If your investment doesn't perform as expected, you could end up owing more than you initially invested. This is why it's crucial to approach leveraging with caution and make sure you have a solid understanding of what you're doing. Always have a plan for managing risk, such as setting stop-loss orders or having an exit strategy in place. Building a leveraged wealth-building strategy. To effectively leverage your way to wealth, you need a well-thought-out strategy. Start by setting clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve, and by when? Next, assess your current resources, including money, time, skills, and networks. Identify areas where you can apply leverage and create a plan for how to do so. This might involve investing in real estate, starting a side business, or learning new skills. Monitor your progress regularly and be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed. Leveraging is a powerful concept that can transform your financial life, but it requires knowledge, strategy, and discipline. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, start applying these principles today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Know Money for more financial insights, and share this with anyone who could benefit from learning how to build wealth through leveraging. Thanks for watching, and your journey to financial independence starts now.